Hello, students. The topic of the speech is Independence Day. Respected principal, teachers, and dear friends, a warm and proud Happy Independence Day to all of you. On this special day, we honor the sacrifices that led to India to freedom 78 years ago. What started with the revolts of 1857 escalated into a collective national movement led by great leaders and ordinary citizens alike. The Declaration of Purna Swaraj on 26 January 1930 cemented India's resolve for complete independence. Mahatma Gandhi's leadership in civil disobedience campaigns like the Salt March and later the Mass Quit India movement galvanized millions. Brave souls such as Sarojini Naidu, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, and countless others laid down their lives for our liberty. Since independence, India has risen remarkably. We are a global democracy powered by a youthful population, advancing in technology, space, agriculture, health, and infrastructure. India's progress in education, digital inclusion, and innovation stands as a beacon of hope for the world. Looking ahead, India must continue to focus on sustainable development, social equality, women empowerment, and peaceful global cooperation. As students and future leaders, we carry the responsibility to contribute, study well, respect one another, support the disadvantaged, uphold communal harmony, and protect our environment. Let us pledge to carry forward the legacy of our freedom fighters and make India a developed, inclusive, and proud nation by 2047, anchored in democracy and unwavering unity. Jai Hind, Bharat Mata Ki Jai.
Don't forget to subscribe.